Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Anupma Prajapati, and today I'm back with not a haul video but a makeup video. This makeup look can easily be created by a beginner, so without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. For a good makeup look, we need fully hydrated skin. For that, I'm prepping up my skin with the Body Cupid Neem and Tea Tree Essential Oil Face Pack, which not only ultra hydrates your skin but also cures acne and blemishes. Just apply it for 10 minutes and wash it, and your skin is ready for the makeup. It is sulfate, paraben, and mineral oil free, hence causes no harm to skin. Still, do not overuse it. Apply once or twice a week. Then, after I apply a serum, you always have to apply the serum in the dab motion. Then I moisturize my skin with Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Gel. Moisturizing is a very important step for the flawless makeup. Though flawless skin doesn't exist, there's always some dark spots, large pores, pigmentation, and marks. You can see my face has so many pimples and acne marks, and it is absolutely okay and normal to be. After the prep up, start with primer. I'm using Insight Oil Free Primer. It is silicone based and has long lasting effect. You always have to press the primer onto your skin so that it covers up your pores and avoids pimple production. Next, I use Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I'm in shade Natural Tan 320. I try to cover my problem areas first, then the good areas, so that excessive product won't be used on the non-required areas and the full face looks even toned. Highly blend the foundation so that it doesn't look cakey at all and forms a good base. I have a big forehead and it's depigmented on sides, so I need to blend there thoroughly. You should also focus there if you have a big forehead like me. Do not forget to apply the foundation on your ears. For that, use the leftover product on the brush. Do not take extra product. Also apply the foundation on your neck to avoid the difference between your makeup face and your bare neck. Next, I'm using Inside Concealer under my eyes, onto my pimples, my dark spots, the marks on my cheeks, onto the sides of the lips, and at the mid of the forehead to cover the unevenness of my skin. This Inside Concealer has smooth and soft texture. It blends easily with your skin, has high coverage with matte finish. With the same brush and the leftover product on it, I try to prime or give base to my eyes, that is to cover up my upper eyelid as well. If you feel you have used extra amount of product, just take a wet sponge, dab it or blend it with an unused brush. It will help you reduce the extra product. You see, all my pimples, acne marks, dark spots, and the depigmentation has now been hidden. Next, I use Wet n Wild contouring palettes, light shade to set my base and a dark shade for the contouring. I pack my under eyes highly. Even you can apply little extra product under your eyes which can be dusted off later. This step keeps your under eye makeup secured for longer. Also apply the loose powder on your neck for the matching of the skin. The base is ready. Let's contour. As told earlier, I'm using the darker shade of the Wet n Wild palette to contour my face, a little down my cheeks, under my jawline, and on the forehead's hairline. If you're using a powder contour, you can draw lines and blend it nicely. But if you're using a stick contour, do not draw lines as it will not easily be blendable like the results you want. I would recommend you to use a powder contour. Either you can use a bronzer. The most important and the to be focused thing about the contouring is that it needs to be blended very nicely so it looks like the natural shape of your face. Next, I'll be filling my eyebrows. For that, I'll be using the black shade from the Makeup Revolution London palette. My eyebrows are actually thick and dense, hence it doesn't need proper filling but just a little defining. Just take the very little amount, define the arch and fill wherever required. Do not use excess amount of product, that also in black shade, as it will make your eyebrows look bulkier. Hey, I just forgot to contour my nose. I'm not at all good at contouring my nose. Like, I can contour others very apt, but don't know what's wrong with mine. Anyways, I'm trying. I just use a very little on the sides of my nose and run my fingers over it for the blending. Next, I'll be using the Nika Molten Matte Lip and Cheek Color in the shade 18, that's Betty, for the blush. I am applying it on my cheeks and blending it with a blush brush. It's a nude color but appears pinkish on the camera. Over it, I'll be using the mixture of these two colorless shades from Makeup Revolution London palette for the good colorless effect. I am applying it on my cheeks and on the side bones of my forehead and also on the sides of my nose so that it apparently looks smaller, and a little on my cheeks too. Next, I'll be doing my eyes. For eyes, I'm not doing much. I'm just mixing these two light brown shades and applying it onto the crease of my eyes. Then I'm taking this very little shimmery nude shade from my Makeup Revolution palette. It's called Flawless, and building it on the inner sides of my upper lids. Okay, that's it for my eyeshadow today. Next, I'll use the Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. It's my favorite thing. You can curl your eyelashes with the help of eye curler before the application. It really gives a good effect, but I skipped it today. Along with the upper lashes, do apply the mascara on the lower lashes as well. It makes your eyes appear bigger. I'm not using eyeliner today. Instead, I'll apply white kohl for the bigger eye look. For white kohl, I'm using LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in shade white, and I'm done with the eyes. Then I'll be using the highlighter to highlight the high points of my face. I have these two highlighters from Maybelline. One is the gold one and the other is this in the rose gold shade. I got my rose gold shade broken accidentally. Both the shades are very good too, but for the day look, rose gold works amazing. I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbone, my eyebrow bone, a little on my chin bone, on the high points of my nose, mainly on the inner points of my eye, and lastly on the lip. Do not just draw a line, do give it a little blend for the natural look. Next, in the last step is applying lipstick. For lipstick, I'm using a lip pencil which is in chocolatey brown color. This pencil is from a local brand known as Colors Queen in shade baby brown. I actually love this one. You can also get its dupe in various different brands. I will mention the names of the tubes in the description box. Check it down. So this is how the look has turned out. It's very easy. Do consider to subscribe my channel and give the video a thumbs up if you really like the makeup look and the video. Okay, so see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, ta-ta.